Hey everybody, welcome to a special edition here in the workshop. We are working on a wheelbarrow for our school peace garden. Found a wheelbarrow that was cast away. It was out on the curb and we need one for our garden and the price was right on this. With those 4 nuts removed, we can now take the handle assembly off of the tub and continue to disassemble and make new handles. To make the handles, we're using a 2x4 that we're going to rip. We're going to cut to length and we're going to rip.
Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Paul. We're going to be ripping the 2x4 down so we can make 2 handles for our wheelbarrow. So you want to help me out?
Sure.
Okay.
To make the round handles, we'll be using a router drill. Now you just do this, wait for your father to turn it on because I don't know where the switch is.
They do a little more cleanup, but now it's rounded. Nice?
Yeah, it's nice. We finished it. Let's take a look. Yes, to the side. You can see we installed new handles. So yeah, they weren't in what's known as not good condition.
Okay, and show us how we fixed the where the bolts are in the top.
A lot of washers, you know, you put it.
Yep, couple fender washers. What do you think, Paul? Good job?
Yeah.
Now we finally have a wheelbarrow for the peace garden.
So how much did it cost? It was pretty cool.
We only spent about $6.99 on that 2x4.
Wow.
To fix it. So yeah, that was out on the curb and we upcycled, recycled, and now we have something that we can use.